All right, here we are, page 12 of the remote learning math packet. And today we're working on some patterns. Number one, if the number pattern continued, what would be the next number in the sequence? All right, so let's look at it here real quick. So we can take it and we can do like subtraction. 3,000 minus 2,950. And then we can borrow, so that'd be 9. That would be 10, so that'd be 0, 5, 0, and we borrowed, so the 2, so that'd be 0. So we know it goes down 50 every time is what it's going down. So it would be the next number in the sequence. So I would take 2,850, and I would subtract 50 from it, and I would get 0, 0, 8, 2. So the next number would be 2,800. All right, number 2, what are the missing numbers in this pattern? So if we look, we just kind of find, I always start with finding the difference in the two numbers. So to see if that works, so I have 39 minus 32, that gives me 7. So I know, and I look at another one here, 53 plus 7 would equal 60, so it checks out. So now I have 32, I need to go down 7, so I need to take 7 away from 32. So I do 32 minus 7, I borrow, the 3 becomes a 2, the 2 there becomes a 12, 12 minus 7, 5, 2 minus nothing, 2, so that would be 25. And then I do 25 minus 7. Again, I have to borrow. 2 becomes a 1. 5 becomes a 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus nothing, 1. And that would be an 18. All right, so if the number pattern continued, what would be the 7th number in the sequence? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what's happening here? So here it went up. So it's up 5. Okay, going to go from 105 to 110 is up 5. To go from 110 to 108 is minus 2. So let's look here. 108 to 113 plus 5, and then 113 to 111 minus 2. So we have a plus 5 minus 2 is what we have going on. So let's look at here, number 3. So I have 111. So now I need to add 5 to that. So the next number would be 116. All right. And then I need to subtract 2, 114. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my 7th number would be 114. Right. Number 4, if the shape pattern continued, what would the next shape be in the sequence? All right, so there we have 1 line, 2 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So this is going to be a little tricky for me to draw here, but I'm going to give it a whirl. Ugh, that's not going to work here. Let me erase that and see if I can't do a little bit better. I'm going to draw it over here. A little more room over here if I want it. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that 5th line there. So it'd basically be the square with the 5 lines going across. Number 5, if the shape pattern continued, what would be the 8th shape in the pattern? All right, so let's look. 1, 2, 3, and then it starts over. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be the 8th one in the pattern. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it starts over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want the 7th one this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see this one, it's the same as this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that one would be your 7th one. Number 7, start at 48 and create a pattern with the rule add 3. What would the 5th number be? So 48, right? Plus 3, 51, plus 3, 54, plus 3, 57, plus 3, 60. So the 5th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, would be 60. All right, start at 14 and create a pattern with the rule add 4, subtract 2. What would the 6th number be? So pretty similar to what we did here. So I'm just gonna underline those real quick. Subtract 4, or add 4, subtract 2. So 14, add 4, 18. Subtract 2, 16. Add 4, 20. Subtract 2, 18. Add 4, 22. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th number would be 22. All right, start at 26 and create a pattern with the rule subtract 6, add 3. So 26, subtract 6 would be 20, add 3, 23. Subtract 6, 17, add 3, 20. Subtract 6, 14. So the 6th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, would be 14. All right. A number pattern follows the sequence. Add 4, subtract 5, multiply 3. So add 4, subtract 5, multiply 3. So 6 plus 4, 10. Subtract 5, 5. Multiply by 3, 15. Add 4, 19. Subtract 5, 14. So there we got 14 again. Number 11, a number pattern follows this sequence. Add 6, subtract 3, multiply by 5. All right, so 3, add 6, 9. Subtract 3, 6. Multiply by 5, 30. Add 6. Subtract 3. There we go. And 33 would, well, we're just filling in the blanks on this one. My bad. And we just needed to fill in the blanks on this one too. Number 12, a number pattern is shown. So we're going to add 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Subtract 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Multiply by 4. 5 times 4 would be 20. And repeat. So now I'm going to add 5, 25, and I am going to subtract 2 to give me 23. And that, my friends, is working through the pattern. Have a great day.